Head coach Phil Simmons hopes the ongoing skills camp in Antigua will help correct West Indies' erratic batting, which has plagued them in the white ball format. In recent years, the Caribbean side had struggled to bat through their quota of overs, especially in the 50-over version, leading to a run of defeats in their slide to 9th in the International Cricket Council rankings. Simmons says one of the major focuses of the two-week camp at College Cricket Ground was rectifying this issue with the batting group.
Well, I think we've always had our issues with how we score against spin bowling, so I think that's been a highlight of the camp. The different ways that we are putting together, or as a batsman, the different ways you want to score against spin, and try and work on those. And for the bowlers and the quick bowlers who are here, the ability to improve on the Yorker bowling mainly. So I think that those are the areas that it encompasses during this camp.
He said it was critical the middle order understood their role, which was ensuring rotation of strike, especially during the crucial middle overs. Simmons' concerns were reflected in the Caribbean side's recent tour of India, where they scraped totals of 176 batting first and 193 and 169 while chasing, as they crashed to a 3-0 whitewash. All-rounder Jason Holder, batting at number 7, was the only West Indies batsman to manage a half-century during the disappointing series for the visitors.